What's up, guys? It's Jeremy with the Timber Cross in Discover, Maine. And that's right, I'm back in downtown Rockland, but today, I'm not alone. I've got my buddy Daniel here with Box of Maine. What are we doing here, man?
We're gonna go to Bixby Company chocolate factory and watch them make chocolates.
Yes, because Mother's Day is coming up. Don't forget about your mama. She loves some chocolate. So we're gonna go there, see how they do it, see how it's made, and we have a massive giveaway at the end. So stay tuned. Let's go get it.
Taste of chocolate is as popular as ever, and the business of making chocolate products is as fascinating as ever. Chocolate is a happy flavor. It's America's favorite. There are probably hundreds, maybe thousands of different ways we can enjoy chocolate.
Okay, so this is a 125-year-old ice factory that we've been slowly repurposing over about almost 6 years now, and so it looked nothing like this, and we had to build out the sub kitchen here, and we put in this awesome window so you could see the breakwater, because we are in the working waterfront of Rockland where a lot of things take place. You've got the Coast Guard station, you have an industrial seaweed factory, and then you have the ferry, a working marina, and a chocolate factory. So I think we're kind of redefining what a working waterfront can be. Yeah, we have a beard net for you.
Perfect.
What's up, guys? My name is Daniel Finnemore. I'm the owner of Box of Maine, and I got a beard net on right now. I just shaved my beard, and it's already grown back, but I still have to wear it.
All right, so I'm super excited. We're leaving the showroom. We're all netted, Daniel and I. And yes, it is a good look, I understand. Definitely is. So we're gonna go see how it's made.
Incorporate a lot of thought and care into our products, not only understanding who grew the cacao, where it's come from, how it was grown, but also trying to create interesting products that will delight and please our customers. So as an example, we use this book plate from the 1890s, and that's our print on our chocolate bars that we make from the bean to the bar. And it's really cool, and everyone wants to know that story. And some background, when I asked the chocolate mold company, could this be done? They said absolutely not. And I said, well, can I pay for a prototype and let's see if we can make it happen? And sure enough, persisted, and it did come true, and now we have our octopus imprint on all of our bars. It's awesome, and that's one of my favorite aspects of creating new products and then getting them out to the whole world. We are so excited to have you. Thank you so much for coming, and we look forward to continue to be in your box. Please come again. Kate,
I loved it. I love to be able to come here firsthand and see the dark chocolate sea salted caramels being made, to know your story behind it here in Rockland, Maine. Thank you so much for having me. I appreciate it.
Dan.
Yeah.
Thanks so much.
All right, see ya. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Guys, literally, the showroom here alone is just phenomenal. There's so much to see, and I've had my fair share of chocolates. So a couple more things to talk about, super exciting things, so let's go. We are, guys, at the Breakwater Lighthouse, because no trip to Rockland is complete without checking out the Breakwater. Again, I want to say a massive thank you to Bixby Chocolates for letting us come by, see how things are made. They're an incredible company. Just everything from their staff to their facilities, the way they've been able to repurpose that building on the working waterfront is amazing. And I like that it's just a short walk from downtown. So it was the first time I've ever seen chocolates be made like that. And if you can tell by my Bixby belly, I had plenty of free chocolate. So if you guys don't know about Box of Maine, I'm gonna let Daniel tell you a little bit about it.
At Box of Maine, you can find over 50 Maine businesses and over 80 Maine items from the coast all the way to the county. And you can build and create a nice unique box and send. And we send it anywhere in the world. You'll find items like blueberry jam and whoopie pies. It's just a great gift for Mother's Day.
And essentially, they take Maine, they shove it in a box, and they bring it to you. So that's the amazing thing. And like we said from the very beginning, we've got a giveaway going for Mother's Day.
Not just one giveaway, but two.
So we got 2 giveaways, and there's also a promo code listed below that if you use that Box of Maine, you get a discount and a
Free whoopie pie.
free whoopie pie. I mean, that's worth doing it anyways. So to enter this giveaway, all you need to do, like this video, share this video, follow my channel, follow his channel, and in 5 days from when this video drops, you could be winning your Mother's Day gift box. So until next time,
Go discover something awesome.
it's my line.
Oh, whoops.
You heard the man. I'm gonna get the drone up.